Hi all. In this short video, I want to speak about build groups. Incredibuild was designed to utilize the exact core amount that is needed for the build and not just to grab as many helpers as possible. On top of that, when helpers are being used for the build, Incredibuild agent will try not to interfere with the normal machine operation so normal work can continue. However, in some cases, there is a need to create separation. There can be various reasons for that. For example, there are two teams that for efficiency reasons do not want to share resources with each other. Or there can be several sites that are connected to one coordinator, so sharing resources might not be efficient due to network latency. Let's see how a regular build is running. We're currently looking at the coordinator manager where you can see my agents. As you can see, all of them are set with default build group, which means that they are basically under one default group. When I run the build, you will see that all available helpers will participate in the build. This is how Incredibuild works by default. Let's see now what happens when we configure build groups. Using the coordinator manager, we are now going to capture two agents to reside in a specific build group called QA. When we start the build now, we will see that the build will use only those two machines that belong to a default build group, since the initiator of the build belongs to the default build group and not to the QA build group. We saw that Incredibuild can utilize all the needed helpers and it can work within a specific build group. However, in some cases, more flexibility is needed. For example, there are cases that there are some powerful dedicated helper machines that it would be very beneficial to share across build groups. In example, we have Group A and Group B. Both groups would like to use those helpers. For that, we have the universal helpers option. Once it's set to a specific helper or helpers, those helpers will be able to assist Group A and Group B when needed. If we look at the coordinator manager, you will see that I am now setting one helper to reside under Universal Helpers group. Once the build starts, you will see that although the initiator and one of the helpers reside under the default build group, the helper marked as Universal Helper will also participate in the build, while the helper in the QA build group will not participate in the build. In this short video, we saw how beneficial and flexible the build groups are. Aside from controlling those build groups from the coordinator manager, you can also use an API, as can be seen in this page. When a new agent is installed using the Silent installer, you can set it to use a specific build group, as can be seen here. I hope you enjoyed this short video and happy building!